Okay, we've got one ribbon. The piece shown, this piece here, is only 1/3 of the whole. Complete the drawing to show the whole piece. Okay, so let's think about what this means. This piece here is 1/3. So that means that it's one piece out of the 3 pieces required to make the whole. So it takes 3 pieces to make the whole. This is one of those pieces. So that helps you picture it. Okay, so if this is only one of the pieces, but it takes 3 to make the whole, then to draw the whole we need 1, 2, 3 of those. So this is the one whole. And this is 1/3 of the whole. One piece out of the 3 needed to make the whole. Part B. This piece shown is 4/5 of the whole. Okay, so what this means is that it takes 5 equal-sized pieces to make the whole, but this thing is only 4 of those of the 5 required. So it says that the piece shown is 4 pieces, but it needs 5 to make the whole. Okay, so I'm going to split this into 4 pieces. Okay, 4 equal-sized pieces, because that's what it says. This piece is 4 of the 5 pieces needed. So here they are, 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole is 5 of those pieces. So let's make the whole. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the whole, and this is 4/5 of the whole. I guess you can think of this as 5/5, which it is. You can also come up here and think of this as 3/3, whereas this is only 1/3, right? So there it is. Now, these are a little different. 2 ribbons, A and B. So we've got 2 ribbons. We've got to draw them. 1/3 of A is equal to all of B. So let's draw A first. Okay. 1/3 of A is equal to all of B. That's pretty easy. It just comes to me in this case. So 1/3 of A, in other words, if you split A into 3 pieces, right? One of those 3 pieces is equal to all of B. And there's B. 1/3 of A, that's this here, is equal to all of B. There's our 2 ribbons. Here we go. 3 ribbons, C, D, and E. C is half the length of D. So let's draw that first. Here's C. That's half the length of D. So D then must be this, where C is half of D. And then it says E is twice as long as D. So if this is D, then E is going to be, that's 1 time as long, and this is twice as long. So there's E. There's our ribbons. Okay. Going to the next page, number 2. Half of Robert's piece of wire is equal to 2/3 of Maria's wire. The total length of their wires is 10 feet. How much longer is Robert's wire than Maria's? Let's put a statement. Robert's wire is feet longer than Maria's. That went off the page for you a little bit. It says Maria's here. Okay, so let's read. Half of Robert's piece of wire is equal to 2/3 of Maria's wire. Okay, let's start by drawing Robert's wire. Okay, there's Robert. It's saying that half of his wire, so that's this section here, okay, is the same as 2/3 of Maria's wire. Okay, so this amount here, let's draw it underneath here. This here, half of Robert's, is the same as 2/3 of Maria's. So it's saying that this piece here is 2/3 of Maria's wire. Okay, this is 2/3 of Maria's. So what that means is that if Maria's takes 3 pieces, this piece is 2 of those pieces. So let's do this. Okay, if this is 2 of the pieces needed to make Maria's, then this is all of Maria's. Okay? Okay. So this 2/3 is just this amount. Okay. But Maria's is 3/3. So that's Maria's there. It says the total length of their wires is 10 feet. The total length. So that means that the length of Robert's plus the length of Maria's is 10 feet. And we want to know how much longer is Robert's wire than Maria's. It's going to help here to kind of break each of these into equal sized pieces. So we see here that these 2 pieces make up half of Robert's. So I'm going to split Robert's here in half again. So now all of these pieces are the same size as all of these. And I'm going to split this one here. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total pieces. And we know that together they make 10 feet. Okay. So we have 7 pieces making 10 feet. How long is each piece? Well, that's a division problem. 10 feet divided equally into 7 equal-sized pieces. Okay? And we know that that is going to be equal to 10/7. It may be easier as a mixed number to think of this as 1 3/7 feet. So each one here is 1 3/7 feet. Oops. 1 3/7. 1 3/7. 1 3/7. Each of these is 1 3/7. Again, the total is going to be 10. If you did 1 3/7 times 7, you'd get 10. How much longer is Robert's wire than Maria's? It's clear here now. The answer is 1 3/7 feet. So there you go.